Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to check watch history on Twitter or X Easy Guide. So for us to be able to begin, just go ahead and launch the X or Twitter account onto your device. Once you're already onto your account, click onto your profile icon onto the top left corner of the screen. Now scroll down until you find in Settings and Support and click onto Settings and Privacy. Here, you should be able to find in your account. Click onto that, and right after that, you should be able to see the option to download an archive of your data. So this is the only way to go ahead and check the data that you have done onto your account or to be able to check the watch history onto your Twitter account. So click onto that, and right after, you'll get redirected onto a link wherein it will ask to sign in onto your Twitter account. So just go ahead and do so. Once you're already logged, just do the same process. Click onto your profile icon onto the top left corner of the screen. Click onto Settings and Privacy and click on your account. So do the same thing. Click on Download an archive of your data again there, and it will just ask you to verify your password. Click on Next and re-enter your password. And once you have successfully entered your password, it is now time to download an archive of your data. So you can request a zip file with an archive of your account information, including your history, apps and device, account activity, interest, and ads data. So here you could also check your watch history. So go ahead and click onto Request Archive in there, and you should be able to go ahead and successfully deliver the request. So since they receive your request, so it can take up to 24 hours or longer for your data to be ready. So you'll receive an information or a notification on your Twitter account once your data is already ready. And when it is already downloaded, there you should be able to find in your watch history on Twitter or X. And that is how you could go ahead and check your watch history on Twitter. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.